Using OnlyFans as a platform to earn a significant amount, such as $30 a month, requires planning, dedication, and a sound strategy. While it's not guaranteed that you'll achieve this income level, here are some steps and tips to maximize your earning potential on OnlyFans. Choose your niche. While OnlyFans is popularly known for adult content, it's not restricted to it. You can share fitness videos, cooking lessons, art, or anything you're passionate about. Choose a niche that resonates with you and has an audience willing to pay for content. High-quality content. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera, lighting, and sound. Regularly upload content to keep your subscribers engaged. Engage with your fans. Respond to comments and messages. Consider creating custom content for fans at an additional cost. Promotion. Use other social media platforms to promote your OnlyFans page. Collaborate with other OnlyFans creators to reach a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Set competitive subscription rates. Don't price yourself too high or too low. Look at creators with similar content to gauge a fair subscription price. Offer promotions or discounts to attract new subscribers or retain current ones. Offer additional services, PPV, pay-per-view, messages for exclusive content. Offer bundles of content at discounted rates. Diversify your income streams. In addition to your main content, consider offering merchandise, affiliate products, or other related services. Adhere to OnlyFans guidelines. Ensure all content you post adheres to OnlyFans terms of service to avoid getting banned. Protect your content. Be wary of content piracy. Use watermarks and be cautious about sharing content outside of the platform. Engage in continuous learning. Learn from top OnlyFans creators. Some offer courses or tips on how to grow your fanbase and increase income. Consistency. Like any platform, consistency is key. The more consistently you post and engage, the more likely you are to retain and grow your subscriber base. Remember that income on platforms like OnlyFans can be unpredictable. It's essential to set realistic expectations and understand that achieving high income requires effort, time, and sometimes a bit of luck. Also, consider any privacy concerns or potential impacts on other aspects of your life or career before diving in.